Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox a random blind boxes from TNT or the new toys. And I have exclusive figure of Boy Ryan. So I'm so excited to share it with you. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! So we have now these random blind boxes from TNT or the new toys or the new toy, and we have this IP of the Boy Ryan. I got this for as a bundle, and from these three blind boxes, I have some figures or some pieces of the figures, and this series is new to me. From these two blind boxes, this is a all-star figures and a collaboration of Honor of Kings, the Canyon Fantasy, and this series is the Acoustic Wave. So from these two blind boxes, I'm aiming to get the Boy Ryan figure. And of course, I have this limited collection of Ryan, which is the Observer. And I've waited for so long to get this one. So it's here now. And I'm so excited to share it with you. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! So let me start with this series, which is the Boy Ryan, the new toy, the Love Pendant series, Ryan Born to Explore. So this is the confirmed figures or lineup. Let me show it to you closely. We have this Hide the Heart, Waiting for You, Charge Ardently, and we have this Meet Soon, Shy Perseverance, Restrain Heartbeat, and of course the secret, which is the Go All Out. So yeah, the secret has a probability of 1 over 96. So let's see. This will be a very new to me because I have some pieces of Boy Ryan and they have big figures, and this one's quite small as a regular figure. And I believe this one, you can use this one as a bag pendant. So let's see. I really like the packaging of this one. Very minimalist. It's a black and white. It pop-ups the illustration or the artwork of Boy Ryan here. So from this lineup, of course, I wanna get the one which is the Restrained Heartbeat and the Shy Perseverance, which is the one in the cover. So let's see if we are able to get a secret. So I'm going to get the cutter because I'm going to open this one at the bottom part. This one, I can open this one directly in the foil because I never had these figures before. So let's see. I don't care if anyone or any figure I will get here because there will be no duplicates. So let's see our first figure. I'm so excited with this one. One, two, three. Oh, the one that I like. The teddy bear. Look how beautiful. Yeah. So Boy Ryan here is a brown teddy with these red lollies and red, it's like a bow tie. He's wearing this black shirt with a red bow tie. And he is a cute teddy bear with these pink paws. Look! I'm happy that I'm able to get my prio. So let me show you all the inclusions and the art card. So this is the art card? No. I guess this is like a instruction or some art card. So this is the art card. It's so small. Look. And I'm out of focus right now. Look how small the art card. And there is some hole here where you can put some lanyards, and this is the back of the art card. It shows a written love. So we got the restrained heartbeat, and this is the chain, like where you can use this one as a bud pendant. It's a matte black finish with some heart design. I really like the design of the chain. Looks really premium, and you can hang Boy Ryan here. I'm not sure if this is the one that I should hook on. And it's so cute! You can hang this one, or I can hang this one on my bag. And let me show you closely. Boy Ryan here. He is so cute, teddy bear. I really like this one. What can you say about this cute teddy of Boy Ryan, which is the Restrain Heartbeat. Look, it's glossy type. It's a combination of soft matte finish. I really like this like silver star on the ears of the bird. Very cute. You can comment down below now. Let's proceed with this box, which is the Ryan All Life Blossom series. So from this lineup, if you watch my previous vlog, you can visit them. I already got Reflect, Sprout, and Dormancy. Is this Dormancy? Yeah. Dormancy, Reflect, and Sprout. So I'm afraid that I might get a duplicate from this lineup. But after these three, I wanna get, of course, the Temper, which is the one with a teddy bear again. I like also the Wither, this one. These two are my priors or the Hope. So let's see. I'm going to open this one at the bottom part because I want to see first the art card. So if this will be a duplicate, I will just show you the art card. And the duplicate figure is with me already on my side. So I will just show you the one that I have, and I'm not gonna open the foil of this one because I'm going to this one in my online shop if this will be a dupe. So let's see. Oops. Let's see the art card first. Oh, it's not the art card. Let me remove the the foil first. And where's the art card? Oh, this is the art card. So let's see if this will be a duplicate. One, two, three. Yeah! I'm so lucky it's not a duplicate, the one that I like. Yes, the temper. Look. Yes, I'm so happy. Look. Nice. That's why there is an additional box like this or cardboard to protect the translucent umbrella as an inclusion. I'm so excited with this one. So let's see. One, two, three. Yes. Look how beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. He's wearing this red jumper suit. And look the teddy bear. It's soft matte finish. He looks so angry and mad. That's why it's temper. Look, let me show you and complete all the inclusions. I really like this one. Yay, I'm so happy. Very nice. I just hope that I won't jinx this luck because I might get a duplicate from the other two boxes. I really like the inclusion. It's a translucent, translucent umbrella. It's so beautiful. Look, it's like a tattered umbrella. It reminds me of the umbrella in when we visited Japan. I really like the translucent umbrella. So he's holding this umbrella here at the back. Let me put this one here carefully. I'm not sure how he's holding. Oh, okay, maybe that one. And look, it's so beautiful. And the umbrella has this, pearlescent finish. There's a translucent finish of this one. And let me show you the art card. He's wearing this brown slipper teddy bear. Very nice. I super love this one. Let me show you the difference of the actual figure of Ryan and their bag tag or bag pendant. It's so cool. So what can you say about Boy Ryan as Temper? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our next box, which is I forgot what's the series of this one. Let me check again. So this is the Youthful Days series of Boy Ryan. So I have some figures of this one. Let me show you the lineup. They have 9 confirmed lineup and 1 secret. I have Growth, Feign Greatness. Yeah, I guess I have 2 only from this lineup. So let's see. So from the one that I don't have yet, I want to see the one in the cover, this one, which is the Youth Rebellion. And I'm not sure if I like the courage or the passion or the fantasize. So let's see. Or maybe the secret. Let's see. I hope it's not a duplicate. Let me open this one at the bottom part and let me show you the art card. Let me remove the foil first. And this is the art card. Oh! Oh no! It's a duplicate! I have this one! Though this one is so cute, definitely I will be easy to sell this one. I'm gonna show you the some inclusions here. I'm not sure why there's an inclusion like this. What is this? Oh guys, what do you think? What is this? This is my first time to have this card inside the box. I'm not sure. So let's see. Okay. So this is the art card. No, maybe this is the other art card. Okay. So we got the Feign Greatness. But I'm not sure if this is really the Feign Greatness. So let's see. Let me check inside of this one. I believe it is. So I have this one. Let me show you. I have this Feign Greatness already. It's a duplicate. He's holding or carrying this soda, wearing this like a. It reminds me of a Thai uniform, high school uniform. It's so cute. Very nice one. I really like the blue eyes of Ryan here. But unfortunately, it's a duplicate. But what can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our next blind cylinder, actually, because this one is a shape of a cylinder. And this is the second to the latest of Boy Ryan series, which is the Natural Born Player. So we got our first duplicate. I was expecting that way. So from this lineup, they have 9 also confirmed figures and 1 secret. From this lineup, I already have the Feeling Lazy. I have the Showtime already, which is in the cover. And I have the Night Monologue already. These 3. I have these 3 already. So, okay, from this lineup, I want to get the Untamable, of course, the Heartbeat, or Street Cute. Let's see. So I'm gonna open this one on this top part. You have to pull this one up. And then again, if this will be a duplicate, I'm not gonna open the foil. But instead, I'm going to show you the art card. Oops. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Who's this? Ah, Street Cute. I don't have this one yet. Look how beautiful the art card. There's a reflector eyes in here. So let's see. And there's an inclusion, which is this cutie cat. Yay! It's not a duplicate. We got one duplicates or duplicate so far. So let's see this one. Where's the opening section? So 1, 2, 3. I'm so happy it's not a duplicate. And he's so cool. Like he's wearing this white visor with his name on the side of the visor. He's wearing this oversized gray coat with this. I'm not sure if this is dark blue or black tie. I really like the outfit of Boy Ryan here. He's so K-pop style here. And this is the inclusion, which is the cat. And the cat has this pearlescent finish, guys. And he's wearing also a, what do you call this one? A bandana, but it's like I forgot. It's what do you call this one, guys? It's like a necktie or handkerchief on the neck. I forgot. What do you used to call that one? I'll figure this one out. Anyway, I really like the combination of these two. They are so cute together. It's not a duplicate. Look how beautiful they are. So what can you say about the Street Cutie, guys? Please comment down below. Let's go now with this box, which is the Honor of Fantasy Canyon Honor of Kings. Actually, it's Honor of Kings Canyon Fantasy Series. It's an all-star, guys. Look, they have Anmu, Dora. There are two Dora, there are two Anmu, two Ryan, two Dudu, two Lita. I guess the other Lita is a secret. And two Zora. And the other secret is Zora as well. I guess the Zora is the super secret and Lita is a secret because this one has a small probability like 1 over 60, the other one is 1 over 120. Though I really want to get either of these two, Ryan. So we might expect to get a not Ryan figure from this lineup. So let's see. I'm so nervous and excited at the same time because we might not get a Ryan boy or a boy Ryan figure. But I'm excited as well to see the other IPs of TNT. So this one is another huge and chunky figure. So let's see. Oh, it looks like a girl. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah! What we have here? Wait, which one did we got? Oh, we got Zora, I guess. This is Zora. Zora, which is Xiao. I don't know. It's why it's in Chinese. Anyway, we got Zora. I guess this one is not a secret because we got this one. So this is the art card. It's very nice art card. It's very sturdy. It's very thick. So it really looks premium. It's sad that we didn't get a Ryan boy. But what can you say about Zora, guys? Like he's riding in a I'm not sure. It's a pool donut with this unicorn design. What the good thing about the TNT figures are they are you know good quality figures. They have these good quality materials. If you can see the hair or the head of Zora is translucent finish. She is so cute. I guess this is my first time to have this Zora. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this one, but let me know your thoughts about this figure. Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box. So we have this acoustic wave fusion. I'm not sure if this is fusion or fusion. And of course, I wanna get either of the Ryan. I wanna get either of these two. So let's see. Let's not wait for this one. But let me check. Maybe I'll like the other one. I like this one, the one with this electric guitar, which is the Soundwave Surge. I'm not sure. Maybe this is Lita. I also like Crimson Soundwave and Vitality Idol. If I'm not gonna get the either of these two, Ryan. So let's see, guys. Oops. The Forbidden Snack. Our next figure. I hope it's Boy Ryan. 1, 2, 3. And yes! Yes! It's cool! Look! Oh, I'm so happy I get the Boy Ryan. Look how beautiful, guys. Look! This one is so cool. He's wearing this metallic silver jacket. And I love his hair. It's white pearlescent. And he's very K-pop here. Look. Let me show you the art card. And I'm so happy. We got the Boy Ryan. Okay. And there's a lot of inclusions here. But unfortunately, the art card is quite... Oh, no. The art card is like a plastic with this... I forgot what you call this one. The record vinyl. Oh, there's a plastic here to protect that one. It's nice. I really like the art card. It's plastic. It's like a. Anyway, I'm not gonna remove this one to protect the card. So this is Ace. I believe this is Ace. Yeah, we got Ace. And he has this silver necklace. How cool. How very K-pop. But I don't know how to wear this one. Ah, okay. Though the head of Ryan is removable like this, so you have to insert the necklace here. That's so easy. Look, it's so nice. It's so very handsome guy. And he has this translucent visor. I'm not sure if this is metallic or no, not. You just have to insert this one on the side. Look! Look how beautiful and handsome! Very K-pop, guys. What can you say about this figure? I'm so happy I got this one. Yeah, please comment down below. So, the moment of truth, the Ryan Observer, this one is a limited collection. I got this one like, I'm not sure if this September or October. And I just received this one a couple of weeks ago. And I've waited to have this figures of Ryan to include with the unboxing of the limited collection of Ryan the Observer. It's in the blister pack or box. So I'm so excited to open this one now. There's this hard plastic to protect the figure. Oops, I dropped the art card. But let me show you the art card first. How beautiful. Ryan Observer. This one is so cool. Look how beautiful the art card, guys. It looks premium. So now, the moment of truth. Let me remove the background. And free Ryan here. Look how beautiful, guys. He's so handsome. What a beautiful figure. The hair is translucent. Actually, it's pearlescent finish. I love the eyes. It's kind of, blue with a black, design. It's like a midnight blue or a starry night. I like the headphone. It's a silver one. He's carrying this blue pearlescent shark. Maybe it's a shark plush doll. And he's wearing this very nice leather jacket. It's so nice. It's very cool figure. He's wearing this silver. No, maybe this one's kinda. Yeah, it's metallic silver boots or sneakers. I'm so happy to have this limited collection, guys. And look, they look good together. Like they are one of a kind K-pop stars, right? Yeah. I'm so happy to have this boy Ryan. Like this is one of the best collection or figures outside Pop Mart that I have now, and it's worth to collect because they have these good quality figures and they use quality materials. So yeah, this is our finale, our final figure, the limited collection of Boy Ryan the Observer. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog from TNT or the new toys. And we have this All-Star Ryan, and we have our little muse there, the Zura. Unfortunately, we didn't get the Ryan from that All-Star collection, but I'm so happy with all of the figures that I unboxed for today's vlog. Though we have one duplicate, and it's okay because that figure is another good and cute and adorable figure that I can easily dish dash and sell to my one of my customers if they like. But definitely, the limited collection of the Ryan Observer is my top favorite. And of course, the Ace one. Surprisingly, I got this one. And yeah, I all like them. What the other things that I can say? So if you have other favorites from what I unboxed from today's vlog, you are free to comment down below. And if you had fun watching this vlog, don't forget to like and share this video. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. If you're still not my subscriber, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Then once again, Thanks for watching. Bye!